In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of being unable to enable the Secure Boot option in the HP BIOS. As you can see, the Secure Boot option is currently grayed out and cannot be selected. To fix this, follow these steps. First, press the Escape key to return to the main BIOS menu. Navigate to the Security tab and select Restore Security Settings to Factory Defaults. Type the number, then hit Enter to complete the change. Once done, go to the System Configuration tab and disable Legacy Support. Next, load the HP factory default keys. Now, as you can see, the Secure Boot option is available and can be enabled. Don't forget to press F10 to save your changes and restart your computer. In Windows, you can see if the Secure Boot is enabled using the system information or from the Windows security settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.